respected Principal Ma'am, Mandin Ma'am, teachers, and my lovely children. Today, Class 1D is going to present an assembly on a very important value, kindness is magic. Kindness is the quiet magic that changes everything around us. It costs nothing, yet its value is immeasurable. A single act of kindness can turn a heavy heart light, bring hope to someone who has lost faith, and create ripples that reach farther than we will ever know. Ivan,
Kindness is the real superpower that doesn't need a cape. Is the real superpower that doesn't need a cape. So when in doubt, choose kindness. It always creates magic. Let us begin our morning assembly with a beautiful prayer. Please join your hands, close your eyes, and start the prayer.
Urvish on the stage, please.
Sunshine, it spreads warmth everywhere. So sit back to enjoy our presentation on kindness is magic. Ria was walking back from school when she saw a poor man looking very sad. I am so hungry, I have nothing to eat. Here, take this sandwich. I want to help you. Thank you, my dear child. God bless you. Kindness has a magic power. It melts hearts, hard as stone. Even God smiles from above when humans comes one another as their own. Ria heard a puppy crying. Must be thirsty. Here, drink some water. Kindness is a gentle language every heart can understand. Share a smile with someone today and love will spread across the land. Books fell down. Ha ha ha, look at you. Rohan, that's not nice. Let's help him. Thank you, you both are very kind. Help me. Hold out your hand to someone. Their burden might feel like the wind. Give them some little time and care, and hope will turn to us. Your heart is full of kindness. Here is a magic kindness wand. Wherever you wave it, kindness will spread. And now Rehan has learned that helping others make life beautiful. So repeat after me. Kindness is magic. Kindness is magic. You also repeat after me. Kindness is magic. Kindness is magic. And help others. I, Swami, Puri, kindness. I, Swami, Puri, kindness.
So, children, you have tried.
I will be kind to people, animals, nature and myself. Respect every creature, every life matters, every leaf matters. Kindness is my superpower. दया सबसे प्यारी भाषा जिसको समझे हृदय मन मुस्कान देकर देखो जरा मुझे प्यार का अपनापन. Kindness is free. Kindness is free. So spread it everywhere. When we are kind, the world becomes magical.
Sabah, please on the stage.
Words are like soft rain breaking down barriers of hate and fear. Even our dire, lonely soul blooms when kindness comes near.